All right. Hi, first grade parents. This video is for you. First graders, you can watch too with your parents. But I'm going to show you the bags of things that I'm delivering this week. And that way I can kind of go over with you what items need to be saved specifically for things that are going to be put in the lesson plan later and items that can be used anytime. All right. So in your bags, you're going to have a variety of things. There's going to be an elephant and piggy book, and that's going to be in the lesson plan later this week. And these are from our first grade classroom library. Okay, so at some point later, whenever we come back to school, you can return it. And you know what? These are inexpensive Scholastic copies. If it gets lost, no big deal. So I don't want you to stress about that, but I would love it if they could get returned to our classroom library eventually. But I really wanted your kids to be able to read these this week because they go with our Scholastic news, okay? So then going on in your box, in your bag, you will also have, sorry, lost something. There we go. You will also have some colored paper and a bag of letters with your child's name on it, okay, that are the same color. So these are going to go along with the history poster. The letters are the topic that your child has that we had cut out before school closed down. And then the paper goes along with that so that they can use it as part of their history poster. All right? Next, you will have several things that are going to be saved for later weeks in our lesson plan. And the beavers and where they live and the Beavers Dictionary workbook, those are going to be saved for later weeks. The May writing paper, you can throw that into the manila folder with all the other things that we've been slowly kind of working our way through that will be saved for later. And the pretty paper, you can save that for later. There should be several sheets of letterhead, the flower letterhead. You can save that for later. And a sheet protector with a number of Scholastic News magazines. You can save that for later. All right. So, one more. It's small. That's why I didn't see it. And this little My Toys book. It's American Sign Language book, and I will be posting a video at some point for your child to watch and fill in the American Sign Language signs here. So also, I had already photocopied and even started to cut out in some cases flashcards for your child. And so I just included whatever I already had, and if you use them, fine, and if you don't use them, fine. But I figured it was better than having them sit in a file. So those are an option for you. They correspond with our rapid writing and the fact fluency. Here is another resource that your child is welcome to start looking at, but I will go more into this in later weeks in our lesson plans, and it's a retelling little visual aid to help them with that. So you can watch for information about that in future lesson plans. All right, so now here are a couple things that you do not need to save. So this is a little box, or a little round box, and it's got stickers and instructions inside for a prayer request box art project, and your child can do that at any time. You do not have to save it. And this is another art project that they can do at any time that you want them to. You don't have to save it for anything specific. Next, there will be a little gift bag. So at our Tuesday chapel meeting tomorrow, April 21st, I will have the students use these in for one of our illustrations. Okay, and if your child can't attend the chapel meeting tomorrow, if they're busy at that time, then that's fine. After the meeting, I will send a message to you with kind of the explanation of how we use those, and then you can have them open it at that point. Also, I had prepared an art project before we started doing distance learning to help your child make a covered wagon, okay? So I have all the supplies except for a paintbrush, but if you don't have a paintbrush, your kid can hopefully do some Q-tip painting or finger painting, whatever you choose to have them do, okay? So I sent a Kleenex box cut partway off for the covered wagon body. All right, I'm also putting in a second empty Kleenex box, just in case this one got, bent up in transport. So you could cut a different one if it got bent up. So, and then a little thing of brown paint, all right, and some wagon wheels and popsicle sticks and all these things and the little fabric, okay? And I will send instructions at a later date. I'm thinking probably next week for how to do this project, okay? So you can just set those aside. All right, so also some of the bags might have things that are specific to your child. Anyone who sent in headphones that belonged to you from home, those are getting returned to you. And let me know if you have any questions about the things in your bag. Okay, thank you. Bye-bye.